So if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you hit the subscription button, because this channel is all about giving you updates on athletics. So it was a very sad day as it was being announced. When I heard the news about Shelly and Fraser Pryce, I was very sad, to be honest. While making this video, I was so sad. So the news is Shelly and Fraser Pryce, when Jamaican officials released the rosters of people participating in 100 meters, we could not see Shelly and Fraser Pryce under the list, which means Shelly and Fraser Pryce will not be racing in Jamaican trials in the 100 meters only. She will be racing in other races, but she will not be racing in 100 meters only. This was finally officially announced when Jamaica released the rosters of people participating in all their competitions, and we could see the name of Ellen Thompson, Hira, Sharika Jackson, and Bryna Williams, but we were not able to see that of Shelly and Fraser Pryce. So the reason behind this is because Shelly and Fraser Pryce is already a world 100-meter champion. She is one of the second fastest, and she does not need to run in the Jamaican trials in order to qualify. She is already a qualified contender at Budapest.